Hello everyone, in this video I'll be sharing with you how I made this yummy and nutritious okra soup. For this recipe you will need okra, uziza leaves, sliced onions, your washed beef or any protein of choice, your seasoning cubes, salt to taste. You will also need some periwinkles, which is totally optional. You will need crayfish. You will need red and yellow scotch bonnet pepper. I also added some snails. It's totally optional. We'll also be using stockfish and palm oil. Now in a clean dry pot, place your washed beef. Add a pinch of salt, seasoning cubes to taste, and some sliced onions. Stir and allow to cook in its own juice for about 5 minutes. And after that, you can now add more water, enough to cook your meat until it's very soft. And when the beef gets soft, add your washed stockfish, your washed snails, and your roughly blended red and yellow scotch bonnet pepper. Stir and add your palm oil. Cover and allow to cook until the stockfish and snail is done. At this point, you can now introduce your okra and stir around. You can also add more water according to your desired consistency. If you want it runny, you can add more water, but if you want it thick just like me, you can be moderate about your adding of water. Also stir. You also need to adjust your salt and your seasoning if required, and stir properly. Next, you add your crayfish and stir. Add your periwinkle and stir. Also remember that this periwinkle is totally optional. If you don't like periwinkle, please, you can skip this process. Also add a sprinkle of some onions. For me, I also like more onions in my okra soup, but it is also optional. If you don't like onions in your food, you can also skip this. Now you add your uziza leaves and stir. Then take off the heat immediately. The residual heat from the soup will cook the uziza leaves. You can now serve with any swallow of choice. So let me know if you enjoy this recipe, and if you do, tell me what you enjoyed about this recipe. Don't forget to like, to share, also recreate. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.